course. Techniques to draw, dynamic poses. Level. Line of action, human gestures. Chapter. Basic steps to draw human body parts. Module. Study of body actions, Part 1. Materials required: 1. Art paper. 2. Pencils. HB or 2B. Also, I am using a slanting board to support my art paper. You may use such a board to support your art paper. Hello friends. In this course, we are going to study what the line of action is and how it can be used to make the character come alive. Let's start with a simple drawing. Begin with an oval head. Draw a vertical line cutting through it. Draw the shoulder line and mark the two joints at the each end. We are all aware of the fact that human body is associated with the bone structure. A joint is the location at which bones connect. The joints are constructed to allow movement and provide mechanical support for many parts in human body. In this sketch, the parts marked with the circle are all joints. Here is a basic sketch displaying all major joints in a human body. Hope you are following me. Let's draw two circles, one at the torso and the other at hip. Join these two circles with a curved line. This way, we obtain the shape of the human body. Through this basic drawing, we have understood the positions of joints in human body. Next, we are going to study the way the body bends with the help of the joints. Let's draw the basic element of the human body. Begin with forming the torso. Kindly follow the hand movements carefully. A slight curved line on both sides helps in defining the shape of the body. Draw a vertical line running through the center of the torso, slightly below the midpoint. You can mark the belly. We can also draw torso in another form. This is formed in can shape. Using this form, we will learn how human body would look when there is an action performed. Observe carefully. Assume that the body is twisted towards the right side. The central vertical line is now drawn in a curved shape. The line at the top is drawn bending upwards, and the one at the bottom is drawn towards right side. Join the lines at the top with the line at the bottom. This is how we get a sketch of human body turning or twisting towards right side. Imagine that the body is bending slightly downward. This position is easy to form. we have got an idea on how to form the body elements in different positions. Further, we are going to learn to draw entire human body in many positions. It could be sitting, sleeping, dancing, or playing, etc. I want to compose a simple drawing of human with the help of line of action. Hope you are following me. You can observe that the spine, or the central line, is curved here, depict motion. Let's draw another human with different action. Imagine he is walking on the road. Observe the curve in the central line and the direction in which the arm is drawn. We will study this in detail from the next module. View this video multiple times. Practice several times to be thorough with the concepts. Thank you.